In this tutorial, I explain you to financial statement analysis. Financial statement analysis focuses primarily on isolating information useful for making a particular decision. The information required can take many forms, but usually involves comparisons, such as comparing changes in the same item for the same company over a number of years, or comparing key relationships within the same year, or comparing the operations of several different companies in the same industry. Financial statement analysis is an exceptionally powerful tool for a variety of users. The three categories of financial analytical methods are horizontal analysis, vertical analysis, and ratio analysis. Now see what is a horizontal analysis. Horizontal analysis, also called comparative analysis or trend analysis, refers to studying the behavior of individual financial statement items over several accounting periods. The analysis of a given item may be focused on trends in absolute amount of the item or trends in percentages. Horizontal analysis may be conducted for a balance sheet or income statement. Now, vertical analysis. Vertical analysis, also called common size analysis, uses percentages to compare individual components of financial statement to a key statement figure. Vertical analysis compares many items within the same time period. This analysis is performed on the income statement as well as the balance sheet. Vertical analysis of an income statement involves converting each income statement component to a percentage of sales. Vertical analysis of the balance sheet involves converting each balance sheet component to a percentage of sales. And finally, ratio analysis. Ratio analysis involves studying various relationships between different items reported in a set of financial statements. Financial ratios are the most common and widespread tools used to analyze a business. Ratios are easy to understand and simple to compute. In next videos, we will explain you how to perform horizontal and vertical analysis in MS Excel.